show you how to service your bike. We have our Bullet and we have driven it 4,000 kilometers, so it's time to service it now. So let's see how we do it. So here is the bike which we are going to service, and as I told you, we have driven it 4,000 kilometers. So for a bike, 4,000, 5,000 kilometers is about where you should get it serviced, and if you keep servicing your bike on time, you can expect a lot less trouble with your bike. The major things are only the engine oil change and oil filter change, which are quite easy. Other than that, what we will be doing is we'll be lubricating the chain set, and also we have to replace a bulb in it, and I will keep on telling you whatever we do when we do it. So first thing, the engine oil. The recommended one for Royal Enfield is 15W50 semi-synthetic, but we are using Castrol 15W50 synthetic, which is even better. And if you have a smaller bike, you can even use mineral oil. And here is the oil filter, and all this noise is because it's trying to make a funnel to pour the engine oil. See, desi jugaad, that's how we recycle and reuse. That's my motto though.
15 से 2000 के बीच में आओगी.
We start by draining the old used oil first, so that we do by unscrewing these screws 1, 2 and 3 at the bottom. So you can either unscrew all 3 or the bottom most, this one. So I am just going to unscrew this, and it is going to drain all the used oil out.
The way what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. Your check is I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. You got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming.
And there it goes. See the color of the oil? It's the right time to change it.
Possession, you got their attention.
Also, it is a good idea to remove the oil filler cap so that there is no suction and all the oil can drain out easily.
Even impression and take your redemption, just kill no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. Could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way.
Now you see this, the love triangle. Now this is the position where the oil filter is. Let's open it up.
What I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes man.
Out with the old filter, and this is, I would say, the only tricky part in the whole process. You'll find 3 seals in the filter, one on each end and one on the cap. So you need to replace all 3. If not, at least you need to replace 2 seals that come with the new filter that you get. So let me show you how to find those. Right there on the cap you see 2, one on the top and one on the bottom, and let me take out the third one as well.
Mayhem, we could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lives.
Now we want to take out the old used oil out from the engine as much as we can. So I'm just using a cloth to clean it.
Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. And when they try to change, you can say no, free me.
Now the old seals are out and we need to place the new one. So make sure the seals fit perfectly. They should sit in their required place. They should not be leaning or out of socket, because if that's the case then they won't work and the oil might keep on leaking. That's not a good thing.
सही है ब्रो।
Perfect. सही है.
ये दूसरी इस पर लग गई।
There goes the new oil filter. And don't forget to put the outer seals back on the cap. So this outer seal goes at the bottom and then there's a smaller one which goes on the top.
भैया इस पर
Okay, a quick pro tip, do not tighten these nuts a lot because they are comparatively delicate aluminum nuts and they might easily break off. Next, just put the lug nut back on. You don't want the new oil to drain.
बोतल का डी
Time to fill it up. Looks like the jugaad failed. We'll have to fill it up. The service is done. Last thing is just the chain set. For that, first we are going to degrease it using this degrease spray, and then we are going to lubricate it back using this chain lube spray. With that, the service is done and it runs like a charm. Looks like he is enjoying it.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.